Honey, where's dinner? Honey? I've been out, you know, killing dragons, adventuring, you know, I'm Dovahkiin, the dragonborn, where's my dinner?
Sam Troll Skyrim.
You know, it's not hard to make me some food once in a while, woman. What are you doing?
Good to see you, dear.
What are you doing? Good! You should be fucking doing that. Why aren't you in the kitchen? Why are you standing in front of the fire? Huh? You should be over there.
Yes.
In the kitchen. But no. You're standing here mixing some stuff that looks like diarrhea. I don't want to eat that. Why would I want to eat that? Huh?
Yes, love?
Don't you yes love me? Oh. What's this? Huh? What is... bread? Were you munching on that bread? Were you munching on that fucking bread? While I was sitting over there starving to death? Huh? I see how it is. So you just feed yourself and then you feed me? That's how it goes? That's how it goes where you come from? Well, that's not how it goes where I come from. You slut!
What his name was that?
That was a shot, you fucking whore!
Go?
Yes! I want to go! Come on!
You want to go?
Yeah. I'm going to bed. Come up if you want to say goodnight! With their belly full of... Oh. I found Arnold Schwarzenegger, guys.
Hands to yourself, sneak thief.
Hands to yourself. Fuck it. I have to go get a sword. Yeah, let's go get a sword for this guy. Let's go on a sword, a quest. I married that. Bam! Professional. Let's stay a little bit. Oh. Oh! 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 That didn't do anything. Shh, 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 shh.
Get ready.
Shh, shh, shh. Do you not know what that means? Fucking hell. Oh, did I not just kill you? Oh, because I'm pretty sure I did. Bandit Chief, you got pwned. What the fuck? Did you just have like an orgasm or something? Did you hear that? She was just like, ah! You killed bandits so well! Ah! Fuck is this? Why is it all slimy and shit? Is that like gasoline or something? Oh fuck! Oh shit! I am so sorry. My bad, guys. Trolls. Haha, that's me. Dude, they probably drink from this water and... Come on. Come on! Fuck it. Fuck it. I don't care.
Old friend, patron of the great plan.
Ulfric.
Got some good pieces out here if you're looking to buy.
Damn, you got two good pieces right there, buddy. Whee! Oh, sorry, wife. I was kidding. It was a joke. It was a joke.
If you want to try, go right ahead. I don't think
I'll fuck him up for you. I'll go fight him. It's alright. I'll fight him. I don't mind. I'm good at what I do. Yeah.
bard by trade. Perhaps you've heard of me.
You need to leave her alone.
Carlotta put you up to this, didn't she? I'm sorry, but that fiery widow is mine. She just doesn't know it yet.
That's the creepiest thing I've ever heard you say.
Maybe you're right. I just didn't want anyone to think I couldn't handle one Nord lad. On my honor.
That was it.
Won't bother Carlotta ever again.
That was the whole quest. Oh no, that was hard. That was so difficult. I don't think I could possibly do that again. It was too hard.
Right through and Fred. Really?
Just have to think about it.
And thank the gods. Settle for thanking you. Here's some coin for your
500 coin! What? I walked from there to there, said one thing to him, and you're giving me 500 gold.
every day.
Thanks, dipshit! You know, I love somebody who knows how to handle an axe. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah.
What is up, mein Liebkins? Sam Fitters here, and as always, click the like button, click the subscribe button, comment, give me a comment. As always, there's the last 2 episodes, and I'm starting up a Minecraft series. There's the first episode right there, next to the other episodes, la 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 la, subscribe, all that shit. And if you liked this video, if you liked it, then, you know, share it around, give it some more views, show it to your friends. If you're watching on Facebook, link it on Facebook if you know people that would like it. Do that. I love you. I love you. Woo!